We are conditioning ourselves for the next asana class. We start with Sthita Prarthanasana, steady prayer pose. Stand tall, smile broad, both the palms at the center of the chest. Relax your elbows, chin parallel to the ground. Slowly close your eyes and watch your breath. Just breathe normal. Do not control or manipulate your breath. Feel the air coming in, going out. We start with the prayer. हम अपने मन को हमेशा संतुलित रखना है, इसी में ही हमारा आत्मविकास समाया है। हमें अपने मन को हमेशा संतुलित रखना है, इसी में ही हमारा आत्मविकास समाया है, आत्मविकास समाया है, आत्मविकास समाया है। हरि ओम तत्सत। जय गुरुदेव। Good morning, everybody. Namaste. Suprabhat. Good morning.
Buenos días.
Okay, what was it? Spanish?
Spanish.
Good. What is it?
Good morning.
So say it again.
Buenos días.
Buenos dias. Good morning, everybody. Ready for the class? Come on. We'll start with the shoulder rotations. Slowly start moving your shoulders. Other way around. Other way around. And relax. Take your hands in front, palm facing up, down, up, down, up, down. Relax, rotate clockwise. Other way around. Relax. Now, lock the fingers. Stretch your hands in front. Feel the stretch. Take the palms in and take them out. Take them in. Revolve. Good. And relax. Now, cross the wrist. Lock. Turn the palms in. Lock the fingers and move your hands in and out. Good. One more round. Take them in. Put them out. Good. Now change the position of the. Good. Take it. Other side. Other round. And relax. Okay. Take your hands by side. Palm up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Now rotate clockwise. Other way around. And relax. Start flying. Higher. Go. Good. And relax. Hands on your hips, hip rotation. Other way around. Change. And relax. Feet together. Slowly fold your knees, little bit twist your knees, in and out. Good. Change. And relax. Okay. Ready for Ekpadasana. So slowly we start with Ekpadasana. Lift your leg, press it on your opposite thigh. Put your palms in Namaste. If you are comfortable, slowly stretch your arms up. Nice upward stretch. Slowly go to your side, the same side, the leg is up. Back and relax. The moment you feel you're losing balance, you can press the foot on your thigh. Okay? Other side. Slowly take your arms up. Good. Feel the stretch. To your side, the same side, the leg is up. Back. And slowly take your hands down. Okay? Vrikshasana, tree pose. Slowly lift your leg up. Ardha Padmasana, standing variation. Slowly take your arms up. Now the leg is locked, so you can push your body up. You get the nice stretch. Change. Release. Garudasana. Both the palms should come in front of the face, but it depends upon the mobility of your joints. Change. Other side. Good. Release. Ardha Utkatasana, half squat. The weight should come on the thigh. Your pressure should come on the thigh, not on the knee. Accordingly, you have to adjust your upper body. Change. Perfect. Release and relax. Okay. Start with the Talasana 2 without going on the toes. 1 foot distance. It is a nice stretch. Chin up. Slowly take your arms up. We are not going on the toes first. Just feel the stretch. Breathe normal. Now if you are comfortable, go on your toes now. Very slowly. Good. 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 Now slowly turn your palms and bring your hands and heels together down. One more round. Now we'll go simultaneously on the toes and hands up. Ready? Inhale. As you start taking your arms up, come on your toes. Both the palm facing each other, fingers together, thumb in, eyes focused, chin parallel to the ground. Breathe normal. Turn your palms, giving backward rotation. Slowly take your hands and heels together down. Relax. Konasana 2, 2.5 feet distance. Right hand up. Stretch your arms, stand tall, very slowly go to your side. The left palm is close to the body, you're not taking support of that palm. Feel the stretch. Come back. Change. Other side. Stretch your arms, slowly push your body up. Very slowly go to your side. Chin up. Good. Release. Come back. Breathe normal, catch your breath. One more round. Now this time we take the hand which is down, up. Okay? So first take the hand up, right. Stretch your arm. Slowly go to your side. Once you are in the final position of the asana, slowly lift the hand which is down. Excellent. Keep both the hands parallel. Focus on the hand which is down. It should be straight. Drop the hand which is down first. Slowly come back to the center and take the hand down. Left hand. Stretch your arm. Slowly drop your body to the side. And slowly lift the hand which is down. Keep both the hands parallel to each other. Feel this stretch. Focus on the hand which is down. It should be straight. Drop the hand which is down. And slowly come back. Okay? Now the same thing we do. First we take both the hands up. So take the hands up, both the hands up. Good. Now keep both the hands parallel and slowly go to your right side. Tilt to your right side. Excellent. Chin up. Good. Feel the stretch. That's better. That is more intense. Both the hands are up. The weight of the hands is coming on the abdomen. It should come on your back. It shouldn't come on your back. It should come on the abdomen. Slowly take the hands up in the air and go to your left side. Check the angle of your body. Use your core. Don't hurt your lower back. The pressure shouldn't come on the lower back. Come up very slowly first and slowly take the hands down. Relax. Okay? Konasana 3. Both the hands in front, palm facing upward. Eyes focus. Only hands are going out. Look at your right palm. Take it to your left toe. Excellent. Touch the toe. Shift the weight on the toe. Look up at your left palm. Breathe normal. Look down at your right palm. Keep looking at right palm. Come up all the way. Turn your head. Look at your left palm. Take it to your right toe. Good. Touch it. Feel the weight on the toe. Look up at your right palm. Look down at your left palm. Slowly come back. Look in front and take your hands down. Comfortable, Christina?
Yes.
Okay. So 2 more rounds to go. So next round we touch the toe, we take the head in the center and we feel the weight on the toe. Clear? Chalo. Chalo. Take the hands in front. Only hands are going out. Look at your right palm. Take it to your left toe. Perfect. Touch the toe. Feel the weight on the toe and take the head in the center of the body and then turn your head and look up at your left palm. Stay there. Breathe normal. Enjoy your asana. Sthiram Sukham Asanam. Look down at your right palm. Keep looking at right palm. Come up all the way. Turn your head. Look at your left palm. Take it to your right toe. Touch it. Feel the weight on the toe. Take the head in the center of the body. Breathe normal. Look down at your left palm. Keep looking at left palm. Come up all the way. Look in front and slowly take your hands down. Excellent. Catch your breath. Third round. Hands in front. Slowly take your arms out. Look at your right palm. Take it to your left toe. Touch your toe. Feel the weight on the toe. If your body allows you, lower your body down and try to place your elbow on the floor and look up. Excellent. Breathe normal. Step by step. Breathe normal. Touch the toe. Take the head in the center. Lower your body down. Slowly look at your right palm. Keep looking at right palm. Come up all the way. Turn your head to the left and take the left palm to the right toe. Touch it. Shift the weight on the toe. Take the head in the center of the body and look up at your right palm. Excellent. Look down at your left palm. Slowly come back. Take the hands in front and down. Relax your shoulders. Now we do the forward bending asana. 3 variations are there, and then last is twist. So first, what is important? How you bend forward. So you're bending from your waist. So place the hands on your waist and slowly bend forward. Make sure only upper body is going down first. That's it. Now slowly, once you're down, relax your body. Take the hands down. Relax them first. Take the head towards ground. Good. And slowly come up. Excellent. In the center. Now we'll go the counter pose. For counter pose, you need a distance less. Okay? Not that less, little bit. Yeah, that's it. And only upper body will go back. Eyes open. Breathe normal. Come back to the center. One more round. Take a comfortable distance. Now this time we are trying to touch the forehead or the chin to the ground. So you can distance more. Slowly bend forward. Excellent. Relax your body. Slowly take your hands to the toes. Good. And slowly, that's better. Excellent. Breathe. Breathe. Again, feel the weight on the toes. Release your fingers and slowly come back. Okay. Adjust the distance for the counter pose. Now this time you can take the arms up if you want. So slowly take the arms up. Arch back, eyes open, breathe normal. Good, good, good. Release. Come back. One more round, we do forward bend. Now take a comfortable distance. Now this time we are just taking the head to the side. So first we bend forward. Good. Now with your right palm, first your right palm, hold your left toe. Take the left hand on the back and take the head towards your knee or shin. That's it. It's a twist. Good. Stay there, breathe normal. Release, go to the other side. Excellent. Good. Breathe normal. Release. Come back to the center. Slowly come up. Give counter pose with the arms up. Slowly. Eyes open. Breathe normal. Come back. Now the last variation is the twist. Okay. So first we go down, bend forward, then we hold the opposite toe. we'll do this both the variation from front and side. Hold your opposite toe. Now the hand which is down, you'll have to twist to that side. So excellent. Good. It's a little bit confusing, but just get the technique of this. Perfect. Release. Now change the position of the hands. The hand which is down, put your head between your hands and twist to the side where the hand is down. Excellent. It seems a little bit difficult, but it's a trick. It's a technique. If you master the technique, asana becomes comfortable. Release. Come back. Give counter pose. Just a little bit backward bend. Relax. Watch one more round. Take a comfortable distance. We'll do from side, so they will come to know what is it. So side. So take a comfortable distance. Here the distance should be adequate where you're able to hold your opposite toes and knee should be straight. So bend forward. Hold your opposite toes. Now the hand which is down, you have to put the head between your hands and turn to the side where excellent. Good. So that will be the position from the side. And keep turning, keep twisting. Release. Change. Slowly twist. Good. Release. Come back to the center. Just give counter pose. Excellent. This is very important part of your practice. Whenever you bend intense forward bend, there is a backward bend. Come back. When you do intense backward bend, we do forward bend. Now sit. Comfortable? Good. Just catch your breath. One round of Parvatasana. Slowly take your hands, either Padmasana or Sukhasana. Hands by side. Slowly lift your arms up. Put your palms together without locking your thumbs. Feel the stretch. And slowly take your hands down. Relax. Okay? Yoga Mudra. Take your hands on back. Take a deep breath. Twist your right. Exhale. Go down all the way. Relax your body. Breathe normal. Slowly come back. Twist your left. Down. Relax your body. Come back. In the center. Slowly come up and relax. One more round. Ready? Take the hands on the back. Take a deep breath. Twist to your right. Slowly go down to your right side. Relax your body. Lift your head, come back to the center. Left, slowly go down. Once you are in the final position, relax the body. There is no tension in the body. We practice this with the Vairagya Bhav. Just let go, surrender. Come back to the center. and down. Breathe normal. Come back to the center and relax. Comfortable? Okay. Now release your asana. We'll do some Paschimottanasana and variations. So take the legs in front. First we do the techniques. So turn the toes in, both the palms on the thighs. Thighs first, okay. Now inhaling, take the hands at chest, little bit tilt back and slowly bend forward. Hold your toes, keep looking up. Good. Release. Give counter pose. Purvottanasana. Release. Now one more round with the arms up in the air. Stretch your arms. Very slowly bend forward. Turn the toes in. Good. Breathe normal. Slowly come back and give counter pose. Perfect. Release. Now today we'll do the series. So first you tuck the t-shirts in because the last variation is Ardha Padma Halasana. We have not done this before? No. So all the series like Pavan Muktasana, sitting one with one leg, then Ardha Paschimottanasana, then Padottanasana. We'll do it together slowly, little bit. That's it. Okay? Comfortable? You are in the center. Perfect. Okay? Little bit back. That's it. Okay? Now fold a leg. Pavan Muktasana. Okay. Pavan. You remember yesterday what I told you? I'll take your certificate back. I'll tell Hansama, okay, she is not performing well, so don't give a certificate, okay? You didn't get it, no?
I didn't get it.
Yeah, so okay, it is with us, no problem. So throughout your performance, we'll see, so this is your exam. Sitting Pavan Muktasana, okay? So, so feel the pressure. Now stretch your arms, Ardha Paschimottanasana. So stretch your arms and bend forward. Excellent. Tomorrow we'll do the Janu Shirasana. Stay there. Breathe normal. Good. Come up. Now Marichasana with the right hand. Get the hold of your fingers. Turn around. Look back. Come back to the center and forward bend. This is the proper Marichasana. Slowly come up. Lift your toe. Slowly take it up. Pada Uttanasana. Pada Uttanasana. Now slowly take the toe towards your ear. Akarana Dhanurasana. Use both the hands to touch the toe first. Once you get the hold of the toe and ear, then you can hold the toe with your other hand. Excellent. Akarana Dhanurasana. Now take the, this is hello. Now take the, open your Wi-Fi. Take the antenna up. Take the leg behind your shoulder. This is, internet is on now. Your Wi-Fi is on. Surya Yantra. You directly get connected with the sun. Sundial pose. Bring it down, toe. Place it on your opposite thigh. Ardha Padma Paschimottanasana. And those who are able to do halasana with both the legs, you can go into Ardha Padma Halasana. Ardha Padma Paschim and Ardha Padma Halasana. Excellent. Okay. Come back. Very slowly. Last round, Ardha Padma Paschim. And come back. And relax. Comfortable? Little bit back. So center. Yeah, that's it. We'll start with the left side. Sitting Pavan Muktasana with the one leg. Ardha Paschimottanasana. Slowly take your arms up and bend forward. I'll explain the difference between Ardha Paschimottanasana and Janushirasana. So when the knee is up, it is Ardha Paschimottanasana. Tomorrow we'll do the Janushirasana series. Good. Come up. Marichasana. Good. Once you get the hold of your fingers, turn around. So this is excellent to prepare yourself for Ardha Matsyendrasana. Come back to the center. Slowly bend forward. This is the final position of Marichasana. Come up. Now slowly lift your toe up. Padottanasana. No, first direct, straight. Then hello, Akarna Dhanurasana. Good. This is the way Rishi used to communicate with each other. Rishi Muni. Okay? Yes. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Then open your Wi-Fi. Take the leg behind your shoulder. Now internet is on. Good. You are connected all over the world. Surya Yantra. Bring it down. Ardha Padma Paschimottanasana. And if you are comfortable with both the legs in Halasana, you go Ardha Padma Halasana. Come back. Last round, Ardha Padma Paschim. And release. Relax. Take the legs in front. Just stay there. Now try your Paschimottanasana, will be excellent. Just stretch your arms up. Bend forward. Turn the toes in. Stay there. Breathe normal. Feel the stretch. Open your back. Surrender yourself and establish in the asana. Sthiram Sukham Asana. And slowly come back. Give counter pose. And relax. Comfortable? Good. So this series, all the teachers, those who are watching, this is an excellent series to give your innovation to your practices. Okay, now turn to your side, lie down. So give nice stretch. Yashtikasana. Turn the toes in, lock the fingers. Good. That's better. Release and relax. okay? So today we'll do something for your core, okay? Huh? Be gentle, okay. So ABCD. Okay. Be gentle, okay. So what you had in breakfast? You don't know. You don't know the name of this. Yeah, pasta. Pasta, okay. The sweet potatoes were there, but it was finished. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, so we'll take it all the thing out. No extra calories will be there. Okay, no extra fat will be there. Ready? So just we do the leg raise first. One leg. Lift your right leg up. Good. Stay there. Now this angle depends upon the flexibility. So don't push. Just lift the leg as per your body allows you. Okay. Bring it down very slowly. Other side. Good. Bring it down. One more side, right side. Keep practicing. So slowly as hamstrings open, your leg comes in the 90 degree. That's it. Stay there. Bring it down. Left. Little bit this. That's perfect. Okay. Bring it down and relax. Now we'll lift both the legs. If you find it pressure is coming on the lower back, so you can put the hands between your back. So slowly lift both the legs up into 90 degree. Stay there. And slowly bring your legs down. One more round. Slowly lift your legs up. Good. Slowly bring your legs down. And relax. Okay. Now today we'll do Dhruta Paschimottanasana and Dhruta Halasana. Okay. So how we start? First we go into Halasana. We touch it. Immediately we come back. We do Paschim. We go back. Halasana. One round. So first we go back into Halasana. We come back into Paschimottanasana. Again we go back into Halasana. One round. First we'll demonstrate and we'll start together. Okay. Slowly. Let's a little bit shift that side. Okay. That's okay. 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 Now slowly. Okay. Important part. If your core and abdomen is ready, then only, and the lower back. If you have problem with the lower back, neck, avoid this. Okay. This is a little bit intense practice, but it is very effective for your core. Ready? So just watch first. So we go into Halasana. The moment you touch your toes, come back. Bend forward in Paschim. Excellent. Then slowly go back into Halasana. One round and come back and relax. Stay there. Stay there. Okay? So this is one round. Clear? Like back. Okay, now you stay there. We'll start from here. Go back a little bit. That's it. So we'll start with the Paschim. So Paschim, Halasana. Excellent. Come back into Paschim. One round. Ready? Stay there. So now stay there. So we'll do 5 rounds. Now take care of your heels and toes. No banging. Very soft. Okay? Soft landing. Zameen mat todna. Don't break the floor. Okay? Ready? Okay. Paschim. Come up and Halasana. Come back into Paschim. 1. Go back into Halasana. Touch it. Come back into Paschim. 2. Go back into Halasana. Come back into Paschim. 3. Go back into Halasana. Okay, come back into Paschim. 4. Go back into Halasana. Come back into Paschim. 5. Relax. Now we'll do intense. So we put the Namaste position. Okay. So first we go into Paschim. Keep the hands by side. While coming back from the Halasana and going back into Halasana, we do Paschim. Okay. Ready? Sorry, Miss Namaste. Stretch your arms. Do Paschim. Go back into Halasana with Namaste. You are. Touch it. Come back into and 1. Ready?
Yes.
So this is the way. Paschim. Ready? Stretch your arms in front. Paschim. And Halasana with the Namaste. Welcome. Good. Go back into Paschim. Good. Come back. Welcome. Good. Goodbye. 2. Come back. Welcome. Good. Goodbye. 3. Come back. Welcome. Good. Goodbye. 4. Come. Welcome. And goodbye. 4. Now turn to the side, lie down on your back. No, just lie down on the back and relax. So if you don't have time for your regular practice, after just warm up, do 10 to 15 rounds of this practice. Yes, it's an excellent warm up and all over the body. But of course, your practice should be regular. If you take a break for 15 days and you try to practice this, it is going to put you in trouble. So when you are regular in the practice and somehow you're not able to do the practice that day, so just take the mat, what we say, hit the mat, just do some stretches and 10-15 rounds of this practice and okay. Clear? Now give counter pose, just give your back and abdomen a little bit rest. Now relax, fold the legs, keep the legs folded and stay there, breathe normal. Now slowly lift your hips up. Good. It is again counter pose for your intense practices. Release. Take the t-shirt in. So all the dynamic variation, take care of your clothes. Now hold your ankles and do Setu Bandhasana. Good. Now again it is an intense stretch your back. Feel the stretch. Your chin should tuck on your chest. Breathe normal. Release and relax. Okay. Now the next variation, we'll lift the hips up, but we are not holding the ankles. Once you lift the hips, lock the fingers. Ready? Lift the hips, lock the fingers. Now stretch your arms and lift your heels off the ground. Come on your toes. Excellent. Good. Keep pushing your hip up. Perfect. Release and relax. Comfortable? Good. Now one more round we'll do this. So this time we'll lift the leg up in the air. Okay? So keep the hands by side. Slowly lift your hips up. Make sure you're comfortable, then only fold your right leg and take the leg up in the air. Good. Now touch the ceiling. That's important. Okay? So don't relax your body. Keep pushing your body up. Perfect. Slowly fold the legs, bring it down. And other side. Good. Now this is the starting position of this asana. Now keep pushing your body up towards ceiling. Release. Now slowly relax. Give counter pose. We repeat one more round this variation so they can do it together. Ready? One more round of the same repetition, taking leg up in the air in Setu Bandhasana. So push your hip up. Slowly fold your leg. Take the leg up in the air. Try to touch the ceiling with your toe. Good. Bring the leg down. Other leg. Excellent. Go up. Come up. That's better. Okay. Down and relax. Give counter pose. Okay, relax. Ready for Chakrasana? Yes. Chakrasana, cartwheel. So the comfortable distance between your feet, come a little bit down. So that's perfect. Okay. Hands. Now the position of your palm is very important when you go for Chakrasana. Okay. First we'll go and then I'll describe. No, I will break the asana. So go. You take your own time. Those who are comfortably going, excellent. Breathe normal. Perfect. Chakrasana. It's a very intense practice. Very effective practice for your abdomen, lower back, arms, quadriceps. Release. Perfect. And slowly give counter pose. And relax. So I know that most of you are not able to lift your body because of the wrist is weak. So first you'll have to lift the head and try to place the scalp on the floor, then adjust the position of the palms and then only you can push. So see what we do with this. So just lift the head and place the scalp on the floor. So first this step is, that's it. This is the step first. If you are comfortable, then only push your body up. Excellent. Good. Perfect. Breathe normal. And slowly release. Give counter pose. It's a very intense practice. Chakrasana. Actually, Chakrasana, when we go, standing, it is very easy if you get this support. From the ground, it's really difficult because of the wrist and core. When you go upside down, the block is mentally very, okay, you can't do, but from the ground, it is a block physical. Okay, now we'll do little bit intense practice. First we go up. Those who are comfortably holding the Chakrasana, they will do this. Then we push the chest that side. Okay, ready? So first we go into Chakrasana. Perfect. If you are comfortable, then start pushing your chest towards out. That's it. Come towards me, Christine. Perfect. So your legs started getting straight. Good, good, good. Feeling the stretch? Yes. Excellent. Release. And give counter pose. Relax. Come a little bit up. It happens in Surya Namaskar. As you start practicing Surya Namaskar, you go out of your mat. Okay? So with Chakrasana also happens. You keep shifting downwards. So after some time you find, ye kahan aa gaya main? Out of the mat. So now we'll do little bit intense practice. They will try to lift one leg up. Again, those who are comfortably holding the Chakrasana, only try this variation. It is purely your core, your arms. Clear? Otherwise, don't try this. You can hold a Chakrasana. Ready? So, the next variation, come up slowly. Excellent. Establish in your Chakrasana first, then slowly fold the right leg up and take it in the air. Superb. Good, good. Fold the leg and bring it down. When you are ready, take your time and slowly. Excellent, Christina. Good, good. Slowly fold the leg and bring your body down. and give counter pose. Perfect. Okay, relax your body. So today first we relax and afterward we practice pranayam because you need a rest. Okay, need shavasana. Okay, so little bit come up, so comfortably. Good. Again, those who are not comfortable in shavasana, on the back you can lie down sideways in dhrudasana, or you're on your abdomen in makarasana or matsya krida. You can fold the legs in pranayam number 4, okay, or you can do supta bhadrasana. The body should be comfortable if you want to relax your mind, okay. So there is no tension in the body. We practice this with Vairagya Bhava. I am not the body. Ready? We'll start with our toes. I relax my toes. My toes are relaxed. I relax my ankle. My ankles are relaxed. I relax my calf. My calves are relaxed. I relax my knee. My knees are relaxed. I relax my thigh. My thighs are relaxed. I relax my groin. My groin is relaxed. I relax my arm. My arms are relaxed. I relax my abdomen. My abdomen is relaxed. I relax my chest. My chest is relaxed. I relax my shoulders. My shoulders are relaxed. I relax my neck. My neck is relaxed. I relax my face. My face is relaxed. I relax my eyes. My eyes are relaxed. I relax my scalp. My scalp is relaxed. My whole body is relaxed. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. Vatinihari Ganesha Nananire Gare Vatinihari Ganesha Nananire Bhare Aas kare din raat Nananire Bhare Vatinihari Ganesha Nana Nire Hare. Very slowly move your fingers, move your toes, Bring your feet together very slowly. Turn to your side very slowly. Taking support of your hands, sit in Sukhasana. Sit in the center only, sit in the center. Okay? So today we'll practice Anulom Vilom without holding the breath. Okay? So we are inhaling from left, we are exhaling from right, we are inhaling from right, we are exhaling from left. Clear? So close your right nostril. So no count, just inhale and exhale, don't hold the breath. Ready? We start. Inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left, inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left, inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left, inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left, inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left, inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left, inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left, inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left, inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left. Slowly take your hand down, put your palms in Namaste. We end the session with 3 rounds of Gayatri. There are 2 Oms, Om Bhubhurvatsva, Om Tat Savitru. Take a deep breath. Om Bhubhurvatsva, Om Tat Savitru Varenyam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः। ॐ तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः। ॐ तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। शांति शांति शांति। We end the session here. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow, same time, same place. Hari Om Tat Sat. Jai Gurudev.